How to install TikTok Pixel on Shopify. So first of all, you need to tap on the apps on your left hand side and simply search for TikTok. And once you have searched for this, you just need to go for the official one. And many people also facing that TikTok is not compatible with their Shopify store. As you can see, this app isn't compatible with your store. So what you have to do is to simply go back to your Shopify. Once you are back, you just need to tap on settings or gear icon and go for store details. And then you just need to go with the billing information, tap on the pencil icon, and then you just need to select any other country from here and then tap on the save button. Once you do so, you just need to go back, and as you can see, now we can simply install TikTok and TikTok Pixel on our Shopify store. So to do so, tap on one of these. I'm going for the TikTok official, so tap on the install button. Once you tap on this, tap on add sales channel on the top right. Once you do so, you just need to wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we have successfully add TikTok pixels in our Shopify store. So that was the process of how you can install TikTok pixel to Shopify store.